Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video I am going to give you the project overview of Kera Tranquil, which is located opposite Lexicon International School, Wagholi, Pune, and is developed by V&J Developers. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which behind me is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office you get an internal road that directly connects you to the Bharat Mata Marg Road. In this video, we are going to be discussing the below points, which is the project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before I get into the project details, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the builders, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, let me give you the project's overview with the help of Project's 3D model. This project will be constructed on 1 acre of land parcel having 2 towers, in which you will be getting basement plus ground plus 11 floors having 2 BHK and 2 BHK duplexes, premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of this project. This project is located opposite Lexicon International School, Wagholi, Pune. और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है Lexicon International School, which is 150 meters away, Kesan Fata bus stop, which is 2 kilometers away, and Decathlon Wagholi, which is 4.7 kilometers away. Now, let me tell you about the amenities of this project with the help of Project's 3D model. This project has clubhouse, swimming pool, kids play area, sitting area, multi-purpose court, rooftop garden, and many more. Now, let me tell you about the carpet area of this project. This project has 2 BHK and 2 BHK duplexes, premium residencies, in which you will be getting 2 BHK which has a 704 square feet and 2 BHK duplex which starts from 800 to 821 square feet carpet area. Now, let us discuss the booking process. Project booking window is now open. The client may come and visit the site. Our sales team will help you with the complete project details along with the project's 3D model. We'll share with you the payment and the pricing schemes, and we'll show you the actual location of the project. And then if the client likes the project, they may proceed with the booking process. So everyone, this was the project overview of Kera Tranquil, which is located opposite Lexicon International School, Wagholi, Pune, and is developed by V&J Developers. To know more about this project, click on the link below to download an e-brochure and price sheet. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream house today.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.